Hey guys, it's DJ. Welcome back to the Vapor Honing YouTube channel. Today we're going to continue blasting some fire damaged items. Down here we've got two toy dinosaurs that were in that house fire we mentioned in some of our earlier videos. We're going to use soda wet blasting to try to clean them up and get them back to the kids. So let's clean them up.
Got to get that soda out of its joints, but it should be fine.
So as you can see, wet soda blasting cleaned up all the soot. We do have some leftover baking soda. We're probably gonna have to scrub it off. As you can see, if you ever find yourself in a situation, baking soda wet blasting is the way to do it. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and comment and subscribe to the YouTube channel and follow us on social media for more great content. Thanks.